Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and today we're going to review another course from Udemy, and this time it's Beginner Photoshop to HTML5 and CSS3, and this course is, as usual, free. I'm in the tab of Overview, so let's go to About this course section. And the first thing that you will see is learn how to convert a Photoshop design into HTML5, CSS3 using Dreamweaver. So my first question is, as a beginner, because it's obviously for beginners, like you have to know Photoshop, HTML5, CSS3 and Dreamweaver. All these topics, for me, I think it's too much, and as a beginner I could never knew all these 4 things. Also, the video is like 2 hours, so how can you go in 2 hours to learn all these kind of things? Anyway, we have 22 lectures, and as I said, 2 hours of video. The skill level is all levels, although at the beginning it says beginner. The language is English, and I have to say that the teacher, I think that he's a native English speaker, so his English are just perfect and into the point. Then in the description you will find a lot of information, not like very much information, but enough information, and you will build a website. So the teacher provides an example of your website, and I have already opened it here, and this is the website. This is the name of the instructor, learning portfolio. You have a home, about, services, portfolio and contact section. So yeah, you pretty much design a portfolio. So let's go back to the About this course section. Here there are some questions that the author doesn't really reply. But anyway, here is the instructor, and if you want to learn more, there are also some useful information here. Let's continue with the course content. And here you will find 6 sections. In these 6 sections there are videos, there are some lectures, there are some articles or supplemental resources. So I think it's very good constructed, okay? Now let's continue to the Q&A. There are some questions and there are some responses. Sometimes the questions are very general, but still there is a response. Now, another thing I wanted to mention is the announcement, and the last announcement was 4 years ago. I mean, pretty much I can understand it, since Dreamweaver is quite an old, and I don't think that many designers or developers use it today, or at least they don't use it in order to make a website. There are more modern things. Photoshop, yeah, I think that of course every designer uses it, but I'm not so sure about Dreamweaver. Okay, what else? Let's go back to Overview and let me tell you some things about this course. So, first of all, I really like it. Second of it, I think that it's a totally beginner's course. But third, and maybe most important, it's quite outdated. I don't think that you should take this course, because a lot of the things that you are going to learn, you are not going to use. Okay, if you go to the creator section, so I have also opened it here, so you can see that it's free and all this kind of stuff, but you can also read the comments of other people. So it has 4.4 stars, which is quite a good feedback and rating, and most people have gave him like 5 stars. But there are also people that says that it's quite outdated, or they think it's too beginners and stuff like this, and I think that I will agree with these people. That's it pretty much for this course, and thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please consider share and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye!